Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Mirror. It's the third day of Elecrama 2023 and we are here at the stall of ABB India Limited. So sir, what is the key focus of ABB at Elecrama 2023?
Yes, first of all, thanks. It's a good question for me as such. It's been now almost around 3 years since we have been into Elecrama. Last Elecrama was in 2020 Jan, and now it's almost 3 years, so it's 2023. And what we find is quite interesting this time. The kind of gathering, what you see here is fantastic. Um, what we have done is as ABB, there are four different business areas of ABB, and what we have done here at this stall is about two business areas is what we have represented. We are represented both in electrification as well as motion. These are the two business areas. So what you find here is, let me speak about now on electrification side. We have a complete solutions, right from I would call from the source to the switch. So what you can see here is the source is right from 33 kV, and then the switch is about 240 volts. So this is what you see right from the point of, I would say, the point where the supply happens to the point where you actually consume and operate a switch. To that point is what we have displayed here, and the solutions to control, to optimize, to ensure that energy efficiency is involved, every aspect of it is displayed here.
So sir, according to you, what are the current challenges of electrification market in India?
The first thing is, yes, I would rather call it as an opportunity, not as a challenge at this point of time. It's been a fantastic journey as of today. India is growing. The GDP is fantastic. Consumption of energy at this point of time is far below compared to other countries. And that what I feel is, as we move towards cities, as we move towards more technology, we find that each one of us would consume more and more power. And that means to say, there's going to be generation of power. Has to be done. And that's something which is a need of the hour now. And government has announced a lot of plans in terms of generation of power through renewables. And this, we feel, is a great opportunity for all of us. The only point would be that, are we sufficient enough to cater to these requirements is the challenge. So what we are trying to do is to expand ourselves, invest more in capacities, and try to cater to the demand of the market.
So sir, can you please highlight the specifications of recent launch of ABB at Elecrama 2023?
Yeah, we do have some good launches here. You would find some lot of solutions. I would say it's not just the product which is being launched. There have been in many solutions there have been gaps, and we try to fit in those gaps now, and that's what is the solutions we have arrived at. Most importantly, I would like to mention two important solutions what we have launched in Elecrama. The first solution is trying to bring in more energy efficiency into the buildings. So you can call it as a green building. That means we need to have a complete building management solution, and that's the one what we have displayed here, which really takes us a mile ahead in terms of solutions what we had earlier. So these solutions, which includes HVAC solutions, are the ones which could actually provide solutions for the future to conserve energy. So that's one of the aspect of it. The second aspect is we never had UPS solutions which could be used for small scale or medium scale enterprises. So that's the one we have already launched, which is from 1 kVA to 10 kVA. That's a product what we have launched in Elecrama.
So sir, what are the future plans of ABB in terms of technology advancement?
Yes, as you look at technology is going in a direction where everything is digital now. If you go to any shop or purchase, any small shop or purchase, I don't think so anybody is using cash today, not even a credit card. They're going actually for a mobile and you pay it on whatever platforms you have. So digital is the future. And what we find is the same technology, I would say, in electricals is is going to be the future of this particular industry. And we find that the way it's not the question of just movement of electrons from one point to the other point is electricity. It's now how do you measure that? It's a movement of bytes and bits from one point to the other point is being controlled and measured as well. So what we are trying to bring in is the new technology which is digital, and having digital, it's very important to ensure you bring in control, monitoring systems, as well as trying to bring in efficiency in the complete setup. So this is what is the future of technology, what we feel. The mechanicals of it will remain same, the electromechanicals of it remain same, but on top of it, the digital part is the one which is going to be the future.
So do you want to convey any message to your customers and clients?
Absolutely, yes. I think it's been a fantastic journey for ABB in electrification. We have grown pretty well with the support of customers. We feel that we will continue to grow with the support of them. And it's been a pleasure to be in Elecrama this time. The kind of footfall what we have seen is something really, I'm overwhelmed with what we have today. I've never seen this in my 28 years of career in this industry. And this is the kind of footfall we have and the kind of response from the customers, not only in terms of just coming to the stall, but trying to understand the technologies, what we have, is really fantastic. And this is something gives us motivation to do such activities more and more.